I'm gonna ask you a question. Did you drink? Are you drunk?
No.
Positive.
Yes. I'm positive that I am certain.
Okay. Do me a favor.
I'm not going to move my vehicle because I need to contact my
Do me a favor.
insurance.
Step over there. All right. Can you send me another unit and also send me somebody that's SFST certified, please?
What are we doing?
I'm gonna have somebody that's field sobriety, so like that they could test you if you're drunk.
But also, can you understand my nerves are now skyrocketed?
I understand that has nothing to do with the fact. I also observed you swerving up the block.
Because I got a text. I apologize.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do me a favor. Go ahead.
Maybe we can also track my record on my text. Are you okay? Are you impacted?
A little bit, but I'm okay.
How are you impacted?
I was inside the car.
Oh, that was your car?
Sarge, I observed an NVA in between the middle of the block on Willow Avenue and 1st Street, between 1st and 2nd. The female appears intoxicated, the striking vehicle. Yes. 2, I just have a traffic built up here. I'm just going to try to clear some of this out. I just need an extra unit to come down in the area of 1st and Willow to just stay with the female before I move this.
Okay, so legally, can I ask your officer name? I'm Bailey.
Officer Sola. Are you hurt?
No,
okay,
but...
you're 2, also send me 34.
No,
Alright, put this down.
I got a text that alarmed me. I was very present and I apologize.
Okay.
But I did get a text that was alarming.
Your car has to stay there.
Yeah, I'll be in my car.
So,
No, just stay here for now.
I
need your license, registration, and insurance,
Here,
please.
it's present. It's present. It's right here.
Your license, registration, insurance.
Yeah, it's inside.
Okay,
I
yes, you
didn't
can
walk
get it.
outside. Oh man, my poor car.
Man, can I get your? I need your license, registration,
That's fine,
insurance,
sir.
please. I understand, but we're in the middle of the street, and I need you to get out of the middle of the street.
I can't. There you go.
J-Rod, I'm just gonna move my car. Can you just stay with her? Just give me a second, buddy. Right, so if we can have another unit to 2nd and Willow to block off traffic there, please.
And then just so we're clear, I got an emergency text. Like, that's when my phone is down here. I would like everything, if anything is being recorded. I got an emergency text.
Okay.
And I'm not validating. But and here's my license and registration. So whatever we need to do, but I got an Where would you like me to go, or what would you like me to do?
Can I see your registration?
That's my entry. I don't.
You don't have your registration in your vehicle?
That should be it. No.
Can you try and get your registration? I'm not sure. Can you
I can turn the car off. Yeah, for sure. Here. Yeah, we're good. No.
Nobody's in the backseat?
No, yeah, we're good. Everything is fine. Like, this is being more drawn out than what it should be.
Okay, well,
but I am obligated, whatever you guys need.
Okay.
But also, no, I'm just saying it's not drawn out as it should be.
Gotcha.
Whatever you guys need,
Well,
we're
it's a motor
good.
vehicle accident, so it's kind of extra.
I should never, and this is why you never look at a text.
Was he involved? Sir, was your vehicle hit?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did she strike your vehicle?
No, my car is back there though.
Oh, it's all the way down there?
Yeah. She was turned around.
14, I'm gonna pull it.
She ran away. She didn't stop.
Okay. Rose, just watch out. I'm gonna pull these vehicles.
I got a text message and I looked at it.
Okay.
So, and my phone, I'm leaving my phone there. So,
Where are you coming from?
Guttenberg.
What's in Guttenberg? Home?
I've been working as a content creator.
Okay.
Like, everything is fine.
That's where you work, Guttenberg?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Right over here.
Where?
Right over here.
What's that? What's that?
In Hamilton Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I'm Bailey. How are you doing?
Okay. Nice to meet you, Billy.
Yeah.
Just so you know, my body cam's on, okay? It's recording.
That's great. Can we make sure that it's recorded here?
It's fine.
Cool.
I'm just gonna keep this door like this just so the
Whatever you
cars can
guys
pass,
need.
okay?
This is. This is coffee. This is just what I'm allowed to drink, right?
Water?
Yeah,
course.
and coffee.
Okay. Did you have anything to drink, like alcohol-wise, at all
No,
today?
not in the past like hour, 2 hours, 3
When
hours.
was the last time that you did drink?
This morning,
What time?
when I arrived, I did a drink concept for my sponsor, but I didn't drink the full drink.
What was it? What'd you drink? What'd you have?
It was a mule canned cocktail
Okay.
by
Nice.
Drink Trio, and it was one cocktail.
Okay.
And
So how many in total did you have?
this one,
One? Okay.
and this was, I believe it's about 4 to 5 o'clock now, right?
Yeah, give or take.
Give or
6
take.
o'clock, but
And this
yeah.
was about 1 o'clock
Okay.
for content.
Understood. Okay. So what's going to happen is that this officer is going to perform a field sobriety test on you. Is that okay? To make sure you're safe to drive, okay?
Well, yes, but
Okay.
also for insurance
Do you-
purposes,
is it
can everything get recorded?
Yeah, my body cam's on. It's activated. Everyone's
you
body
so
cam's on and
much.
it's activated.
Good.
Of course. No problem. So he's going to perform the field sobriety test on you, okay? We're going to take you,
that's fine.
come out the car and he's going to bring you over
Everything's
there.
fine.
Alex, you're doing it, right? Okay.
Hi, Alex.
That's Officer Miller. And you can,
Officer Miller.
It's okay. You can hold
I
Alex. He's
apologize.
cool like that. It's okay. You just take right there.
I'm so
Okay.
sorry
Watch,
about that.
watch yourself. I don't want you to fall or anything like that. You can leave your car
I
though.
know my poor tire.
Yeah, this probably gonna have to get towed. I don't think you could drive this,
No, I
right?
think you can drive it a little
Yeah.
bit.
Okay.
But we'll
So
see.
just-
We'll see.
Understood.
I don't know. Officer.
Okay. Yeah.
June 28th, 2025. Willow Avenue, Hamilton Park area, New Jersey. A driver swerves, hits another car, and that car takes off. What's left is her, this camera, and a question the defense is already building a case around. She told the officer she looked at a text. She told the officer she had a drink that morning, one canned cocktail, around 1 in the afternoon. The issue here is not really whether she was impaired. The issue is whether the tests used to prove it were even valid for someone with her physical condition. Before either balance test started, she told the officer she had a partial ACL tear and an MCL tear in her knee. The officer wrote it down, said he noted it, and ran both tests anyway. That right there is the whole legal problem in this video. The NHTSA manual, the actual rule book officers are trained on for field sobriety testing, lists significant leg or knee problems as conditions that make the walk and turn and one-leg stand unreliable. Noting the injury is not the same as explaining on camera why you ran the test despite it. Those are two different things.
Just stand by. He's gonna.
I got a text and it just swerved. I'm so sorry. One text and I looked.
Yeah. We don't.
It was one
Texting and
mishap.
driving is super.
This is
Super
literally
dangerous.
why we talk about it.
So we can talk to Officer Miller.
Hi,
Okay?
Ms. Miller.
Hi, how are you? We're just gonna step over here.
Cool.
Okay.
He's like almost 40. The other guy is on
You're gonna stand right here and face me.
And so just so we're clear, I know it may not matter. I have an ACL injury, MCL injury.
I'll make sure to
So
note
by
that in the
limp
report.
or
Okay.
any
No
incapacity,
problem. Do you also do you wear contacts or glasses as well?
I need glasses,
You need glasses?
into a certain regard, but I'm not wearing them right now currently.
Okay, I will make note of that. Okay.
The bigger note is if I limp in a certain regard, I have a full partial ACL tear and MCL tear that I'm currently recovering from.
Okay, no problem. I will definitely note that if it comes to that. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
No problem at all. Here's what.
Do you prefer me to call you Officer Miller or Mr. Miller?
Whatever your preference is.
No, it's your preference. It's to your discretion.
So I'm just gonna have you stand right here. You're gonna face me on this line. Okay. You're gonna stand with your feet together and your hands at your side. Okay. You're gonna follow the tip of my finger. All right?
Which tip? Which finger?
You're gonna follow
Okay.
this finger. Okay.
Gotcha.
All right. I'm sorry. With your eyes and your eyes only, you're gonna keep your head still.
You want my jaw still?
Yeah, you're gonna keep your face looking at me, but you're gonna follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Also, we're on scene.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. That's from her bar? What she thought you had?
Okay, you can relax for a moment. The next test we're going to be doing is going to be called the walk and turn test. Okay.
This is the one I'm leery about because of my ACL and MCL.
No problem. I'll definitely make note of that. If anything.
On the stop itself, under Terry versus Ohio, an officer only needs reasonable articulable suspicion to pull someone over. Observed swerving, an active collision scene, a radio call describing the driver as appearing intoxicated. That checks the box. Nobody is going to argue the stop itself. Pennsylvania versus Mims says once the stop is clean, you can tell the driver to step out. That happened here with no argument. Under New Jersey Statute 39450, you cannot operate a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. BAC of 0.08 or above is the threshold. The NHTSA 3 test battery, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, one-leg stand, is the standard protocol for establishing that impairment. But that research was built around subjects with no significant physical limitations affecting balance, gait, or eye tracking. This driver had 2 of those limitations, and no glasses on. New Jersey Statute 39450.4a covers implied consent. Once you are lawfully arrested for DWI, you have to submit to chemical testing. The footage shows her being transported and offered 2 options at headquarters. No chemical test result appears anywhere in this recording. That result is the evidence the case will stand or fall on. Graham versus Connor says any use of force has to be reasonable under the circumstances, judged from where the officer was standing at that moment. The handcuffing in this video was calm, no resistance, no force beyond what was necessary. That part is not a problem.
But like, this is everything you make note of right now.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm being under a deep surveillance.
No,
And
yeah.
I'm deeply worried because I don't want.
I understand. So I'm here to determine if you're able to operate a motor vehicle. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
That's all my purposes here. So if you pass these tests, you're free to go. Right? I'm gonna have you stand there with your feet together and your hands at your side. Okay. You're not going to begin this test until I tell you to. Okay? For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be taking 3 steps. When you conduct the test, you're going to be doing 9, okay?
Okay.
34, we're
As long as
taking
you
that
don't mind,
400
like I
First Street,
said,
4 Bravo.
I'm really worried about my ACL,
I understand.
but you've already considered and said
Correct. So what you're going to do is, on your line,
Yes, sir.
you're going to have your left foot on the line, you're going to have your right foot in front of it, okay? You're going to stay in that position until I tell you to begin the test. Do not start the test until I begin, okay? You're going to stay in this position, though, just like this, until I tell you to begin the test, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to be taking 9 steps, okay? For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to be taking 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you get to your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around.
I've never turned
No
before.
problem. Do you understand? You're going to take a
I
series.
think I do.
Without stepping off the line, you're going to take a series of small steps.
A small swift turn.
Don't move from the starting position that I started you from, okay?
I know, I'm just doing my best because of my ACL tear.
I understand. All I'm asking you to do.
This is my first time without a brace.
So all I'm asking you to do is
Yes,
to
sir.
stay in the starting position as so,
Oh,
okay?
of course. Do not move until
Correct.
you tell me to move.
Yes, so you're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to take 9 steps back, okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and so on until you conclude the test. Throughout the duration of the test, you're going to keep your hands at your side, and you're going to keep your eyes. You're going to be watching your feet while you walk.
This is
Okay?
hurting my hamstring.
I understand. Okay.
Just because of my ACL tear.
All right. Do you understand the directions to the
A
test?
little bit, but do you understand that?
Yes, I
I'm
understand
fighting-
you have an injury. I'm taking that into consideration. Okay.
But I'm fighting beyond.
Okay. No problem. You may begin the test now. Okay.
Beyond the test is me stepping.
You're gonna 9 steps forward, a series of small steps, and 9 steps back, and you're
I
going to
can't
keep
do
your
that
hands
with
at your
my
side.
ACL.
Okay. Are you refusing to take the test?
No, I mean, no.
Okay. So then I
just
need you
don't want there
to.
to be a miscommunication
No
based on my
miscommunication.
ACL tear and
There's no
MCL tail.
miscommunication. I'm going to make note
Yes,
of
sir,
this
Mr.
while you're doing this. Okay.
I just want to make sure that's
Okay,
clear
you may
'cause
begin
I'm
the
really
test.
nervous. Thank you. I have an ACL tear.
I understand.
One zero, MC3. MC3.
Thank you. Just stand at this line for me.
I can keep trying my
Nope,
best,
nope,
Mr.
you're
Miller.
good. That test is complete. Okay. No problem.
Okay, what's our next
What you're gonna
test?
do? You're gonna stand at that, right there at that line. You're gonna stand with your feet together and your hands at your side.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to be demonstrating this test, okay? For this test, you can choose a leg of your choosing, 6 inches off the ground, with your foot horizontal to the ground, and you're going to be counting out loud: 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. During this test, you're going to keep your hands down at your side, and you're going to be watching your foot while you count. Do you understand the directions?
I think I do. Can I repeat them to you just so I'm
Sure,
clear?
go ahead.
Because I'm being tested in a way that
No problem.
you would like me to put one foot and elevate it in front of the other.
Correct.
And hold it for a period of time.
You're
to
going to count out
discretion.
loud until I tell you to stop.
And that is 6 seconds.
I'm gonna count.
Oh,
you're
you're
gonna
going
count.
to count,
You're
or
going
am I
to.
gonna
You're
count?
going to count
Okay.
until I tell you to stop. Okay.
I'm going to count 1 Mississippi or just
Correct.
1, 2?
1 Mississippi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I can choose my leg.
You can choose your leg. Your hands are gonna be at your side, and you're gonna be watching your foot.
Thank you.
You may
tell me
begin.
when, Mr.
You
Miller.
may begin when you're ready.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi,
119.
7 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi.
Can you guys respond to 220 Adams? It's going to be
Mississippi, 13
7
Mississippi,
Juliet.
14
Going to be assisting
Mississippi,
mobile
13
crisis.
Mississippi, 16
Person
Mississippi,
for mobile
17
crisis on the outside and a
Mississippi,
white
18
Nissan Sentra.
Okay,
19
you can stop.
Mississippi, 20 Mississippi.
You can stop, man.
Thank
you. Can you just turn around, please? You're gonna be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay.
What did I not pass?
We'll explain all that up at headquarters, but just do me a favor and just place your hands behind your back, alright?
I'm not struggling.
No, I know, we'll get there, okay? We're gonna have this female officer right here search you, okay?
What is going on?
What was that? Yeah, just because we're gonna bring your headquarters, you can just meet us there.
So wait, am I being communicated?
Sorry?
This is weird. Why am I not being communicated?
Where's your car? Where's your car?
What's going on?
My car is at the
All right, so we'll bring them on 130. My car. I'll bring my
But can
car.
we be?
Come on, we're just gonna take a walk this way, okay? You're gonna have to stay and search your car. Search the car.
There's nothing to search in the car. What's going on?
Yeah, because we have to search for any intoxicants in the car, okay? Like any alcohol or anything like that, okay?
So, but
Because
we
okay, I'm just directing you. I'm not even. Just keep your hands behind your back like that, okay? It's a lot easier for you.
So what's going on?
We'll explain more and again once we get into headquarters, okay? Just take your seat and I'm gonna see about you in.
563-675-6367.
Did I hurt someone that I don't
Watch
know
your leg.
about? Like, is
Watch
there
your leg.
something deeper
There
going
you
on
go.
that?
Nothing deep.
113.
Who's the rest? Is it Sagaros?
113.
Whatever tow accepts this GMC.
Just I don't want to bring her phone and her
First Street.
Her phone and her ID.
Where is it?
He has it, I think. I want to keep it with her. You were under arrest for driving while intoxicated. You hit a car. You also failed the field sobriety test that the officer performed. Okay. Well, you can, if you don't believe it to be true, once you go to court, you can contest that in court, okay? You need to speak up a little bit more. I cannot hear you. I'm sorry. I'm sure it'll be in the report, okay? When it's a red light, you have to stop, the same as cars. I have your phone with me. Yeah. So what's gonna happen is that once we process you and we do all the paperwork, you can either have a friend come pick you up, a sober friend, or you can stay in our headquarters for 12 hours until you sober up. But according to our tests, you failed that. So all the tests that the officer administered on scene when you were outside. So how our protocol works is that you need to either have someone come pick you up so we can release you to them, or you can wait in our headquarters until you sober up, which is a 12-hour wait. Okay? That's the only two options, unfortunately, that you have. Hey, come on. Ready? It's just this. Casey. That's Salgado.
If anyone by chance grab my purse with my house keys.
Well, I'll tell the
Is
officer on
everything
scene.
coming in?
37 to Salgado.
This is such an unnecessary mess.
Come on.
I'm with you. I told you, officer. I'm with you.
What's his car number? You probably don't know.
Are we talking about my car?
137 to Salgado.
Be gentle with me.
Where is it your purse exactly? So I can tell the officer to grab it.
It's the Bottega. It's the nude Bottega.
No, but where in your
It's the
car?
it should be right in the passenger seat because I grabbed it from
Come
my
on, step
phone
up.
and I heard I'm trying my best. I just had
He said, go ahead, Rose.
to do my best, you guys. It's the Bottega that's in the crossbody. It should have my, or just find the house keys that have goddess bitch.
We'll grab it.
If you can even do that, please.
Her house keys are in the purse, I think.
If you
This
can
way.
just misunderstand.
I'm sorry, it's this
What
store.
do you need?
This way.
Okay.
This officer's gonna bring you inside, okay? He's gonna perform a breathalyzer test.
Is Officer Miller going to also
Yup.
attest to why he thinks
Watch
that?
your, I don't want you to
No,
fall
I'm
in.
good.
Okay.
I'm
You just want to
already.
into a lot of things. I'm gonna uncuff you.
My
I'm gonna say
knees
you're
already hurt.
Okay, so
Like,
thankfully we have a seat right here for you, okay?
no, it's not that.
Wait. Stay like this, okay? Listen to my direction. Just stay at this position. When I uncuff you, you're gonna put your hands on the wall.
Okay.
Okay?
Just you.
Right on the wall. There we go. Just from an accident. So these AMTs are also here. They're gonna check out your hand, okay? You're good. You can sit down. Ma'am, you can sit down. Take a seat. Your hands can come down from the wall. You're good.
Tom, this is traumatizing.
Okay, I'm so sorry that you're going through a traumatizing moment.
Do what you need.
You know what? Is this the one that's cut? Oh no, that one is cut. Okay, so the EMTs are here, and they're gonna take a look at it and clean it up for you. Okay?
I'm good. I don't
No, it's let them just look at it.
We're good.
They're here already, so let them just come in and check on you. Okay?
Officer Sela managed a multi-car scene on a live street, got traffic moving, called in a certified testing officer before anyone ran a single test, and kept her composure the whole time. The vehicle search mentioned on scene needs a closer look before this goes out. New Jersey's state constitution adds limits beyond federal law, and what authorized that search is not clear in this footage.
Officer Miller ran the 3 tests in the right order.
gave clear instructions, let her repeat them back, and acknowledged the knee injury before each balance test. The gap is narrow, but it matters. Saying you know about an injury and explaining on camera why the test is still valid are two separate steps. Only the first one shows up here. The driver was cooperative the whole way through. She disclosed the knee injury before the test started. She correctly repeated the one-leg stand instructions back to the officer before doing it. She also admitted to reading a text. She admitted to the collision, and she confirmed she had alcohol that day. That is what gave officers the grounds to keep going. First, if you have a physical condition that affects your balance, your walk, or your eyes, say it out loud before any sobriety test starts, and say it to the camera. This driver did exactly that. It is on record now, and that directly limits what the officer can claim he observed, because he already knew about the injury going in. Second, for officers, writing down a physical limitation is step 1. Step 2 is explaining on camera why the test was still valid despite it. Without step 2 on record, the notation alone is not going to hold the way you need it to when this gets to a courtroom. Third, the phone. She said it herself on camera around 4 minutes in. This is why you never look at a text. She hit another car. Everything that followed, the stop, the tests, the arrest, all of it traces back to 1 second where she looked down at her screen. If you know a stop or a field sobriety test that deserves this kind of breakdown, drop it in the comments. Most people have no idea how much the law actually requires before an impairment charge can stick. That is exactly what this series is here for. Thanks for watching.